Hello everyone. I'm here again to explain a confusing topic for some of you. Yep, I'm talking about syntax, this easy and at the same time difficult topic to understand. But I'm here to explain in an easy way. Now, what is syntax? Syntax defines the rules of a language in terms of grammar. Also, syntax can be defined as the order of the words in the sentence, but we can understand it in a different way. So they are the rules for what kind of words, parts of a language, or vocabulary you can use in a sentence. But in what order? Just give me a few seconds and I'm going to show you. But first, this is an important thing to know that every language in the world has a certain order of words, a certain way that people think when they are speaking. So as VO order. When speaking English, we are going to use this structure. What is this structure? This structure is subject, verb, object, that is the way that native speaker think. So we need to pay special attention to this SVO structure because it's the way that English speakers produce their thoughts. It's the way that they organize the word, as VO is as natural as breathing to a native English speaker. So let's see some examples. Consider a simple sentence like I eat hot dogs. You have the subject, the person doing the action, you have the action itself, and then you have the object, the thing or person receiving the action. Let's see this another example. Okay, as you can see, it's a good sentence using perfectly the SVO structure and syntax. You have the noun phrase, the verb phrase, and this is a complete sentence. But now, what do you think of this sentence? Is it okay or not? Let's see. That's right. It is a wrong sentence because the words are in disorder. Let's practice, okay? Let's do these two examples. That in each one you have two options. So let's think which options are correct. Okay, you have in the first and the second example two different sentences. You need to look what is the mistake. Okay, do you have the answers? Yep. Okay, we're going to see. In the first example, the correct sentence is A. Yeah, that's right. And in the second sentence, and second example, what is the correct sentence? Again, it is the A. Now, as an important point, you need to know that just because a particular string of vocabulary is incorrect syntax for one language, it doesn't mean that it is incorrect for another. For example, car on part may be incorrect syntax for English, but car on part it is correct syntax for French. Until you actually learn another language, it's hard to teach another language. So my advice to you regarding syntax is to be patient, to understand that learning a language involves thinking in a different way, not just learning to memorize vocabulary and grammar rules. It requires to you unlearn what you have learned, to go back to the beginning and to learn new patterns, new ways of thought. So some languages like to put all the information at the beginning. Some like to put all in the end, and some just mix all together. Knowledge is power, and it's important for you to know exactly how the speakers of English think. What it is thought. This is the SVO structure, how they organize the word into these three letters. So I hope this video helped you. See you next time, guys.